For the next 10 hours, I will be eating all healthy food and no sugar to see if it boosts my energy levels. And you may be wondering, what counts as something with not a lot of sugar? Well, anything with under 5 grams of sugar, like this beautiful looking apple, I'm going to be able to eat for the 24 hours. It's currently 10 o'clock and I obviously need some breakfast, but I just don't know what to eat that has under 5 grams of sugar. Since I'm not too hungry, I'm going to be having this beautiful looking croissant, which has exactly 5 grams of sugar. So let's go ahead and eat it. So now we're gonna fast forward to lunchtime. Alright y'all, it's currently 12:30 and you already know it's time for some lunch. I do not know what I want for lunch, so we are going to take a little look-see in our good old fridge, because that's where we're gonna find the food. Subscribe if that was a funny joke. But yeah, I don't know. What are we getting? What are we getting? Oh wait, maybe I can have some of this. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, it's gonna spill everywhere. Yeah, maybe I can have this Coke. Psych! We're eating healthy today, boy. I want a sip of that so bad, but you know, I gotta stay strong for the challenge. By the way, before I continue the video, the reason I'm doing this challenge is because I get headaches very easily when I eat a lot of sugar. So I'm trying to limit my sugar intake to reduce headaches. But yeah, what are we about to eat? What are we about to eat, man? I don't know. I don't know what we're about to eat. But you know what? I think I do actually. Apparently, this helps with like muscle. I don't know. Let me see. Wait, how much? Doesn't say. Oh, 3 grams of sugar. Let's go. 3 grams of sugar. Oh, let's get it, bro. The toast is now ready to be eaten. So, carefully take it out. Try not to burn myself and put it on a plate. Look at that gorgeous toast. Warming up my butter for the toast. We have our toast made and it's time to dig in. Now that lunch is over, we're gonna just have to wait till dinner time. Alright, I have a change of plans because I'm actually gonna be going out for dinner tonight and I'm not gonna be like filming and stuff in the restaurant. So just to, you know, respect people. So I'm not gonna be able to vlog the dinner part of the challenge, but I'll make sure I get something healthy so I don't cheat my way through the challenge. And yeah, I'll basically, this is what I eat. I don't know it yet, but it's gonna be right there. So yeah. Well, that concludes today's banger of a video. If you liked it, make sure to smash that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you get notified for more bangers. It's been JS10, and we out, baby!